Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Realme GT7 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to edit photos in Google Photos on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to just open Google Photos app, and right here we have to choose the photo that we want to edit. For example, this one. So we have to hold on it and we have to click on it, and right here, as you can see, is edit button that we have to click on. As you can see, right here are some suggestions from Google, like warm and cool. We can also crop the photo or rotate it by the crop and rotate tools. Here are some tools like Unblur and Magic Eraser, and here we can adjust brightness, contrast, HDR effect, white point, highlights, shadows, black point, saturation, warmth, tint, skin tone, blue tone, pop, sharpen, denoise and vignette. We can put on some filters, we can mark up the photo with pen, highlighter, or just write something with the text option. And we can save it to our Photos app or just here as a copy. And that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!